Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. In this video, we will learn how to have a list of dictionaries in Python. So for example, we have a student dictionary. Information about one student, such as name, and ID, so if we want to make a list of students in which each student is a dictionary of information about the student, so we are going to have a couple of more of these. Student 2, name Mike, and the ID. Now we are going to create a list of dictionaries. So this will be students, and we are going to add our dictionary to this list. Student 1, student 2, and student 3. Now we are going to use for loop to loop through our each dictionary and print. For student in students, we do print student. So we created 3 dictionaries, each representing a different student. We store each of these dictionaries in a list called students. Finally, we loop through the list and print out each student. So let's run our code. And here is our output. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel Awesome Code. Like my video, keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.